Good morning, students. In today's lecture, I am going to discuss about asylum and human rights. Asylum refers to shelter and active protection. Such protection extended to a political refugee from another state by a state which admits on his request. Article 14 of Universal Declaration on Human Rights provides that everyone has right to speak, right to seek and enjoy in other country asylum for prosecution. It is to be noted that it is duty of every state to prevent individual living in on its territory from endangering the safety of another person or another state. Asylum is of two types: territorial asylum and extraterritorial asylum. Extraterritorial asylum is also known as diplomatic asylum. Territorial asylum is granted by a state in its own territory and is considered as an attribute of the territorial sovereignty of the state. Article 1 of Convention on Territorial Asylum states that every state has the right to exercise of its sovereignty to admit into its territory such person as it's deemed advisable without through the exercise of right giving right to complaint by any other state. Territorial asylum's example is Dalai Lama case, influence of refugee from Bangladesh. Now, other type of asylum is known as extraterritorial asylum or diplomatic asylum. It is granted by the state outside of its territory. Outside of a state's territory means if a state grants asylum to any person in its embassy or public vessel or consular premises or warships, these are outside territory of the state. So if any state grants asylum at these places is known as extraterritorial asylum. Though international law does not recognize asylum in foreign embassy because such steps would prevent territorial law taking its own course and would involve a derogation from the sovereignty of that state. A very important case on territorial asylum is Colombia versus Peru case, 1950. In this case, a political leader of Peru, Victor Raul Haya de la Torre, was accused of having instigated a military asylum, was granted asylum at Colombia Embassy at Lima on 3rd January 1949, which was subjected to dispute between Colombia and Peru. This case was referred to International Court of Justice as per Pan-American Havana Convention on Asylum on 1928. Such asylum could be granted, but International Court of Justice decided in the favor of Colombia, but same time specified that Peru had not proved Torre a common criminal. This case is also known as Haya de la Torre case or Colombia versus Peru case or asylum case as well. Thank you very much.